Hello children. Calculate mode. Mode is simply the number which appears most often. In the data 3, 8, 14, 12, 45, 8, 19 and 13, 31. Let us arrange the data in ascending order. We can see that the number 8 is being repeated twice, whereas all the numbers are repeated only once. So therefore the mode of this data is 8. Let us see one more example. The heights of 25 children are given here. Either we can arrange in ascending order or descending order, or simply we can just count how many number of times each observation is being repeated also. Let us arrange that in tabular form. We can see that number of students, the highest number of students is 9. 163 is being repeated 9 times. So therefore the mode is 163 for this data. And types of mode. There are situations where you have no mode, two modes, more than two modes to the given data set. Let us see the first example. 10, 12, 6, 8, 13, 5. This is the given data. So in this data, all the observations are being repeated only once. So as no observation is repeating more than once, there is no mode for this data. Let us see one more example. 15, 11, 20, 11, 15, 11, 15. So here we can see that the observation 11 and the observation 15 is being repeated thrice. So therefore there are two modes for this data, 11 and 15. So such kind of data is called as bimodal data. And let us see one more example. 34, 23, 50, 23, 45, 34 and 45. We can see here 23 is being repeated twice, 34 is being repeated twice and 45 is also being repeated twice. So therefore here the observations 23, 34 and 45 appears thrice. So there are three modes for this data. They are 23, 34 and 45. Such kind of data is called as multimodal data. Thank you.